Hi everyone, this is Trendsetters Academy. So if you really want to learn more things about Trendsetters or how their developers are developing the applications and how they're creating some sort of web applications or server-side coding, everything about the development. So for this you must click on the subscribe button for this. I hope so. Let's come back to the lecture. Hi everyone, I'm Mohammed Bilal and you're watching Trendsetters Academy. So today in this lecture I will tell you how we use navigation drawer activity. Okay, so whenever you're creating some sort of new project in Android, you will see there at first Android asks you about what really is the activity you really want. So right now what the activity open here is the blank activity. Okay, so this is the blank activity, like nothing is showing here on the screen. Okay, so this is the empty activity or blank activity, but there are a lot of other activities, a lot of varieties of activities are available there, so you can create the and sort of activity. But right now we are discussing here about navigation drawer activity. So today lecture is about navigation drawer activity, what really this navigation drawer activity behaves and what really this activity is. So navigation drawer activity looks like this. It's examples like this, like there are some buttons and we will see there. The basic example of this, like you are creating some sort of Gmail account and you will see account in your cell phone. You will see the navigation drawer will shown on the left side of the screen, like a users there. So this is the basic example of navigation drawer. Okay, so we will change this, as we will see this is my main screen. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just clicking on the finish button, and what I will see here is there are a lot of activities. The following code could not menu send XML. Okay, ISO menu share, the following file could not be created since it already exists. Okay, no, it should be the thing, these things are already exist, so we will proceed anyway. Okay, so if you find this error, just don't worry about the thing, just proceed it and just go on with the thing. So now our activity is created and now the Gradle is syncing again, and we'll see what is there any issue or not. Just syncing it quite takes time. Let's stop the thing and let's continue the lecture later. Okay, so now what it happened, our Gradle sync is complete right now, and now what we are going to do here is I will tell you what really this navigation drawer activity looks like. So this activity main is just the blank activity, so just forget about this thing, but this is our main screen. Okay, so this is our main screen, this is our navigation drawer activity, the main drawer activity. Okay, but here you will see like you are adding the menu navigation view here and you are including a menu bar here. So here what you are doing is you are including a menu bar, app bar, main screen. So this means there is a layout app bar main screen, so you are adding app bar main screen here in your this main navigation drawer activity. Okay, so this is the main screen here which will show you let's wait for the thing. So here you are seeing, so right now what it happened here is you are seeing like it's just a blank screen here, but it must be look like some sort of pure design, but the navigation view is not showing like what I was thinking about. But the thing here is this is our navigation app bar main screen. Okay, so this is our navigation app bar main screen. So let's see what's the text here. Okay, so this is the thing here, like app bar layout here. Okay, this is our toolbar here, like in this toolbar whatever the thing happen is pop overlay, and these are the, so here you can see there are some contents are available like the layout of main screen. Okay, so this is the floating action button here. So what it happened, let me change this coordinator layout into relative layout. I hope this thing works fine. So let this happen as like this. Sorry for slow. So you are seeing here right now what it happened here is When I change this relative layout, what it happened, this floating action button is showing here, but what it happened, it must be showed here. So I just drag and drop it here. Okay, so I hope this thing is fine. So these are the other things that are including here, like app bar overlay, and we'll see the other things there. There is content main, like what the content you really want to add. So I'm just changing this coordinator layout and constraint layout into relative layout. Okay, so don't worry about this thing, whatever the thing happen here is quite so fine. So I just change this layout, and now we will see what it happened here is Android constraint layout. It's not refreshed here. uh, okay, no issue with the thing. So let's see what the things are here. These are all the layouts. Okay, so this is the header, this is the header. Okay, so this is the pure header here. It's not showing here. Okay, let's see what the things are going around here. Let's see, this is my main screen here, and what it happened here is this main screen is showing what this is an app compared main activity here, and there's a main activity screen, there's a floating action button here, there's a layout drawer layout with a toolbar, navigation drawer open, and navigation drawer close, and there are some sync states. These are all the methods are present here. On back press button is already available here, so I just created this create a main menu. Okay, so if you want to create a menu, if you want to handle menu, so the menu is present here, like camera, gallery, slideshow, navigation manager, navigation share, and navigation send, whatever the thing is there you can find out. So these are the thing, I didn't create any sort of thing, I didn't code a single word here. Okay, so what did happen, I just created a new navigation drawer activity and it just code all the thing. So what I'm going to do now, I will see the next things more. This is the activity main drawer. Okay, so this is the main activity here. It didn't show the view. Let me show you the view here. So let's see what the thing happens here is. Okay, so these are just creating some sort of error here. Okay, fine with the thing. So these are the main XMLs here, like you can find out the menus. Wait. So these are the items here, like camera, gallery, navigation, slideshow, navigation manager. So these are the built-in icons available here, so you can find out these icons there. Okay, so here is the menu. So everything is complete right now, and now what we are going to do, we want to run this main screen. So what we are going to do here, we will just open this manifest and change this main screen name. So what it will do here is, this is our main activity here. Okay, so what we really need, our main activity is our main screen activity. Okay, so we will change this into main screen, and we will convert it main screen into main activity. So this thing is clear. Okay, so what it do now, what the thing happen right now here is, what's it happen right now, when I run the program, the main screen will activate and this thing will show you what really this stuff is. Okay, so we'll see here, this is our main activity, and now we are going to run it. Okay, so just to run the program here, and we'll see how this looks like. Okay, so right now what it happened here is I connected my cell phone with this, and now I'm running this app on my cell phone. Okay, I just double click on it, and now this is going to run. Install run requires the platform corresponding to your target device. Okay, install and continue. So now this thing is installing, like I updated last night here. So this thing is just downloading the new files here. So don't worry about this thing, what the thing is happening. Just go on and just create a new navigation activity. Right now we didn't do any sort of thing here. Okay, we didn't do any sort of code there, so just don't worry about the thing. We will code in our next lecture, and we will create some sort of an awesome application. We will use all the activities there which are mentioned in the starting, like empty activity, um, drawer bar activity, this is the navigation drawer activity, and the settings activity, tabs activities. We will use each and every activity, so these activities are present for just creating the layout here, so we really don't need to code all this thing. So I hope you understand this lecture, and we will see in the next what really the happen is. So in my last I will show you what the really output is here. So don't forget to subscribe and be with me. Okay, bye, thank you. So thank you so much.